In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zip a file and send in email Microsoft Outlook tutorial. Sharing multiple files through email can sometimes be difficult, especially when you want to keep everything organized or reduce file size. That's why learning how to compress files into a single zip folder and send them through Microsoft Outlook is a very useful skill. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily prepare and send your files. To begin, you first need to create a compressed or zipped file on your computer. If you are using a Windows system, locate the file or folder you want to send. Right-click on it, move your cursor to the option that says Send To, and then choose Compressed Zipped Folder. A new zipped file will be created in the same location, usually named after the original file or folder. If you are compressing multiple items, make sure to select them all before applying the same option so they are combined into one zip file. For Mac users, open Finder and locate the file or folder you want to compress. Right-click or Control-click the item, then select Compress. Your system will automatically create a zip file in the same location, typically named archive.zip or something similar. If needed, you can rename it for better organization. When working with multiple items, select them together before compressing so they are included in a single file. Once your zip file is ready, the next step is to attach it to an email in Microsoft Outlook. Open Outlook and create a new email message. In the message window, click on the attachment option, usually shown as a paperclip icon. Browse your computer, locate the zip file you created, and select it to attach. Wait for the upload to complete, especially if the file is large. After the attachment is added, enter the recipient's email address and write a clear subject line. It is also helpful to include a short message explaining what the zip file contains, so the recipient understands what they are receiving. This improves clarity and avoids confusion. Once everything is ready and properly checked, you can send your email. If you encounter any issues, make sure the file size is within email limits and confirm that the upload has finished completely before sending. And that's it. You've successfully zipped your files and sent them using Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell